So, English is tricky. It's not always phonetic. When we are helping children in Montessori learn the sounds so that they can put them together to make words, we show them 41 sounds because we have more sounds than we do letters in the alphabet. And I'd like to show you those 41 sounds now, and I hope that this will be helpful and show you how you can be as concise as possible when you're presenting them to the child. For instance, this sound is B, but sometimes you hear people say it ba, and ba is actually this. And the reason it's worth making that distinction is because if your child's trying to read bat and they're saying ba at, they may be hearing an extra sound. And so as concise as you can be, even though it seems kind of picky, it really will help when they're putting those sounds together to make words. So if you'll bear with me, I'd like to show you all 41 sounds that we would be using. And these I made on just like a thin cardstock. I mean, you could use just paper that you have at home. You could reuse paper that has something on the back even. And the consonants are in red, the vowels are in blue, and then there are some phonemes or two-letter sounds that are in green. Now these would correspond with the Montessori movable alphabet. Maybe that's not that important for your work that you're doing, but if you wanted to kind of use that in that same way so that they mirror the movable alphabet, you can make them the same colors. But this could be a really inexpensive and easy way to get started at home. And you can see that the ones that are taller letters or that have a tail, I just made those. These are 2 inches square, and I made this a 2 by 3 to make it a little taller so that the child begins to see the tall sounds and the tail sounds. Okay, so as we've talked about, this is B as in bat, as in up, apple, cat, dog, egg, fan, goat, hat, itchy or in, jump, kite or kangaroo, leg, mom, nut, octopus, pig, run, sit, top, violet, water, you hear this at the end of the word fox, yes, zebra, as in the middle of the word rain, you hear this at the end of tree, cherries, oats, or in the middle of the word coat, shelf, ooh, this is at the end of the word blue, quiet. Oi at the end of the word toy. Thumb. Art or arm. I. This is at the end of the word tie. Or. This is in the middle of the word fork. This is in the middle of the word book or look. Aw. This is at the beginning of Australia and in the middle of the word sauce. And as in the end of the word ladder. Okay, so that's the 41 sounds. Now, there are different ways to spell those. There are lots of spelling variations, but we're going to work on that later. Right now, we just want the child to have a symbol that they can recognize as that sound as they're listening and they're looking at it. And once they have that, then we will move on and practice that. That will be another video available for you. Okay, I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching.